Made by Chrysler, this 1938 Plymouth Coupe with mostly original paint and nearly pristine condition is one of the most well-known hot rods of the golden years in the United States. With no back seat, there was room for more trunk storage, making this an ideal vehicle for the businessman of its time. This hot rod is sleek and detail-oriented and has a modern look for its time. While this car has had some of it redone, it still maintains much of the original character. During the early 1900s, automobile painting was a laborious task that was done entirely by hand. Using linseed oil and natural pigments, the painting process would take several days to complete and greatly slowed down the production of the automotive industry in this time. However, in the 1920s, DuPont revolutionized the automotive industry with the introduction of lacquer paints. These paints, made from nitrocellulose, were applied using spray guns, which drastically reduced the time required for vehicle assembly. While lacquer paints were not perfect and had poor resistance to certain petroleum-based solvents, their introduction marked a significant milestone in the automotive production. This Plymouth has a Hemi engine with a large blower on top that is fed by two Edelbrock 4-barrel carbs. The manual choke carburetor from Edelbrock's Performance Series is made of two-piece all-aluminum construction to maintain cooler operating temperatures and resist warping. It is engineered and calibrated to deliver excellent street performance and fuel efficiency when used with the Edelbrock Performer manifolds. The carburetor is designed without any gaskets below the fuel bowl level, resisting the risk of leaks, and it has no plastic parts or power valve. The manual choke carburetor from Edelbrock's Performer Series is made of two-piece, all-aluminum construction to maintain cooler operating temperatures and resist warping. It is engineered and calibrated to deliver excellent street performance and fuel efficiency. The carburetor is designed without any gaskets below the fuel bowl level, reducing the risk of leaks, and it has no plastic parts or power valves that could malfunction. Additionally, it features both timed and fuel vacuum ports for ignition advance. Founded in 1938, Edelbrock is recognized as one of the nation's premier designers and manufacturers of performance replacement parts for the automotive aftermarket. This carburetor with a plate number 1404 from the Edelbrock Performer Series is a high-quality, precisely tuned carburetor that is capable of handling the demands of daily driving and providing dependable, consistent performance day after day. There are several features that make this carburetor stand out as an excellent choice for street performance. Firstly, it uses metering rods to transition between circuits and is not affected by engine backfires, which means that there are no power valves to blow out. Additionally, the rods can be changed in seconds without removing the carburetor or draining the fuel. Secondly, this carburetor has a unique ability to maintain a tune so that once it's tuned, the carburetor remains tuned. This means that its performance remains consistent and its calibration stays unchanged, even when compared to other carburetors. Moreover, the lightweight, all-aluminum body features a two-piece design that resists warping and is compatible with gas and blended fuels. Lastly, the easy-to-use tub-type bowls and rear pivot floats all combine to make this carburetor reliable, user-friendly, and easily tunable for many miles of trouble-free operation. During the 1930s, the advent of enamel paints revolutionized the automobile industry. These paints were applied to vehicles through spraying and then baked in ovens. This significantly hastened the manufacturing process. The end result was a durable and resistant finish that could withstand exposure to solvents and other harsh elements. However, paint has come a long way since then, which means great care must be taken when working on antique cars, as abrasive pads can easily take off bits of paint, hurting the finish. Even when vehicles are stored in garages, it can be necessary to inspect the paint under a light to see faint scratches that might be hidden in grooves of the vehicle or under the presence of dirt that has collected.